You might expect the temperature to drop as you move away from a heat source. If you step away from a fire, the air quickly becomes cooler. So you would think the same thing should happen with the sun. The farther you go from its surface, the colder it should get. But scientists discovered something strange about our star. The sun's outer atmosphere is actually far hotter than its visible surface. The bright surface of the sun is called the photosphere. It reaches temperatures of about 5,500 degrees Celsius. Above it lies a thin outer atmosphere called the corona. Surprisingly, the corona can reach temperatures of over 1,000,000 degrees Celsius. So, how can a layer farther away from the sun be hundreds of times hotter? Where does all that extra heat come from? The answer lies in the sun's powerful magnetic fields. The sun is filled with extremely hot, moving plasma. As this plasma flows and churns inside the sun, it generates complex magnetic fields. These magnetic fields rise up through the solar surface. When the magnetic field lines emerge, they often twist and tangle together. Imagine stretching and twisting rubber bands under tension. These tangled magnetic fields store enormous amounts of energy. Over time, the stress in the magnetic fields builds up. Eventually, the magnetic field lines suddenly snap and reconnect. This process is called magnetic reconnection. When reconnection happens, large amounts of stored magnetic energy are released. That energy rapidly heats the surrounding plasma. These bursts of energy can heat the corona to millions of degrees. Even though the plasma there is extremely thin, it becomes incredibly hot. Magnetic waves traveling along these field lines may also carry energy upward. These waves deposit additional heat into the corona. Together, magnetic reconnection and magnetic waves act like invisible heaters. They continuously pump energy into the sun's outer atmosphere. This intense heating drives streams of charged particles away from the sun. These streams form the solar wind that flows through the solar system. The solar wind can interact with Earth's magnetic field. When that happens, we sometimes see glowing auroras in the night sky. For decades, this mystery puzzled scientists. It became known as the coronal heating problem. Today, spacecraft like solar observatories continue studying the sun closely. They help scientists understand how magnetic energy moves through the sun's atmosphere. So the sun doesn't behave like a simple campfire. Its powerful magnetic fields can transport and release energy far above its surface. That's why the sun's outer atmosphere can become far hotter than the surface below it. The corona is heated by magnetic energy released in space above the sun.